Oh, hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold QSD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us. Yes, it's a 15-minute chart. Usually we do our analysis on hourly time frame, but right now if we look at the hourly time frame, okay, we do not have much activity going on. There is not much volatility. So to show the chart in a proper manner, okay, I have shifted to 15 minutes time frame. 1 hour time frame is my favorite. 1 hour time frame gives us stability. So whatever levels, okay, that we'll be discussing have been derived from the hourly time frame only. Just to look at the chart in a clean manner, okay, we are on the 15 minutes time frame. Clear? My friends, yesterday I uploaded a video forex trading legal or illegal in India, and many of you have emailed me with lots of questions. Okay, I have also received questions over WhatsApp. It is not possible to answer, okay, personally. So I'll be conducting an Instagram live session maybe by Wednesday or Thursday. So if you're not following me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram if you have questions and if you want to attend the live session. There are lots of scammers. Okay, so please only follow the account with the blue tick. Okay, don't think that Avilas, how can you get the blue tick with only 50 followers? Okay, I am paying money every month to Instagram for the blue tick so that you do not follow these scammers. Okay, so my dear friends, the link will be in the description. This is my Instagram handle, and there will be a session on the problems and solutions. Obviously, by Wednesday or Thursday, I'll be declaring on Instagram. Okay. And my dear friends, from this coming Friday, the world's most affordable forex trading workshop is about to start that I conduct in both Hindi and English language. I'll be discussing about the details by the end of the video. Okay, if you're struggling with the market, unable to make money in the market, okay, the journey has been very tough, then yes, you can consider joining the 3 days workshop. Okay, you'll find the details by the end of the video. So finally, let's talk about gold. So right now, gold is trading at 2324. This is the current market price, and we expected and discussed also that there's a high chance that market will remain sideways, market will remain choppy, and we can see that we do not have a clear direction. This is a 15-minute chart. Okay, so you may think that the Villas market is an up and down. If you look at the hourly time frame here, you can clearly see that we have a sideways market. Okay, or you can also consider this to be as a choppy market. So we need to be careful. If you're a positional trader, swing trader, then this is not the ideal market condition for you. For safety reasons, you need to travel from level to level only. Okay, and yesterday our levels did pretty well. So today also we will be expecting the same. But we also need to keep our eye on the economic calendar. We have retail sales coming up. So by the US session, market will be volatile. And if market shows good volatility, extreme volatility, so the levels will not work and we need to follow the trend of the market. After all, we cannot deny it, when fundamentals or news dominate the market, technicals do not work. That is a bitter reality. So as a retail trader, we need to adopt ourselves. You can see we have a zone here, then we have many lines on the chart. So let's try to understand one by one. First of all, let's talk about the dotted lines here. The dotted lines that I have drawn on the chart are the weak lines, okay, or they are the weak levels. So when there will be less volatility in the market, then only you can expect the levels to work. In case of extreme volatility, or especially by the US session, these levels will not work, okay, because we do not have strong presence of buyers and sellers around the area. But when there is less volatility, definitely we can expect it to work. First of all, let's talk about 2330 or 2331. So we are drawing FIBO here and we can see so far our FIBO is doing a fine job. Okay, so far our FIBO is doing a fine job. So if market goes up from here, definitely we can expect, okay, 2330 to 2332 to act as a resistance. Do not expect a complete trend reversal. Okay, we need to understand the market situation right now. Market situation is not giving much profit. So once market will hit 2330, 2332 area, just observe the market behavior for 30-40 seconds. If you see market is showing price rejection from above, hit the sell button. How much you can expect? We are expecting 40 pips. Yesterday also we were expecting 40 pips. We got our 40 pips. Okay, so once market will hit the level of 2330, 2332, we are looking for a sell opportunity. And in a previous video also we have discussed about the zone of 2337, 2341, the red box here. Okay, this is our no trading zone. Especially we should not be looking for buy positions because of multiple price rejection around the area. But before the US session, after US session also, if you see gold is going up, okay, gold is going up, observe the market behavior around this area 2337 to 41. If market reverses, you can look for a sell. If you see the market is really struggling, market is showing price rejection from above, but do not look for buy around this area. Okay, and if market breaks 2341 after US session, we can look for a buy. And then we have the next selling opportunity around 2350. It's a psychological level, so we are looking for a sell 2350. So if you're confused right now, okay, let me write it down here. Okay, so around 2350 we are looking for a sell. Okay, it's a resistance level, so we are looking for a sell around the area 2350 psychological levels. So if market goes up, observe the market. If market reverses according to expectation, we will be looking for a sell. Then we have 2341. Above 2341 we are looking for a buy. Okay, above 2341 we are looking for a buy. 2337, 2341, this is our no trading zone. What? This is our no trading zone. We should not be looking for any trades because this is a little bit dicey area, critical area. But if you want to go for a sell, if you have the experience, that's your personal choice. Okay, and we are also looking for a sell around 2330 to 2332. Yes, what we are looking for here, we are looking for a sell. So if market reverses from this area, we can go for a sell. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities in front of us if market goes up. And keep in mind 233032 will not work at the time of US session. These levels may work during the US session, okay, but this should not work because this is not a strong level. And right now, gold is standing at 2323. Okay, so during the day, if you see gold is coming down, okay, especially before the US session, not after the US session, okay, we can look for a buy around 2317 to, sorry, 2315. These are the two levels where we can look for a quick buy of 20-25 pips. Do not expect 40 pips also. We may not get 40 pips because we are simply using FIBO here, no other thing. You can see here around 2317, 2315. Okay, we have FIBO 50 and we have FIBO 61.8% retracement level. So before US session, if market drops to this level, okay, we can expect a quick bounce of 20-25 pips, not more than that. Okay, and ultimately we have another level around 2301 from where market bounced yesterday. So if market breaks 2309, you can look for a sell below this level as well. The next support is around 2304, 2300. This is the next big support on the chart of gold. Okay, because of, okay, FIBO 78.6% retracement level, and along with that 2300 is a round number psychological level. So we are expecting a good bounce around 2300, 2304 level. Okay, but to come to 2300, 2304, obviously market will have to break 2309, isn't it? So obviously we can look for a sell there as well. So this is a choppy market, sideways market. So we are looking for trading opportunities on both the sides. And in case any news comes out and if you see extreme volatility, forget about levels and follow the trend of the market, because obviously we are traders, we need to be flexible. You cannot be very arrogant with your levels. And in our previous videos also we have discussed that if market drops or market shows extreme selling, then obviously the previous high of 2286, 2287 should be working as support. So let's wait and watch. Okay, right now let's focus on this particular portion of the market only. So if you are confused, let me repeat again. So right now market is sideways. We do not have a clear direction. So we are looking for trading opportunities on both the sides. If market goes up before US session, we can look for a quick sell of 40 pips around 2330, 2332 level. 2337, 2341 is a no trading zone, my dear friends, because of multiple price rejection. But if market reverses, we can look for a sell as well. Personally, I will not do anything. And if market breaks 2341 by the US session, we are looking for a buy above it, and 2350 is the next resistance. So we can look for a sell around 2350. Before US session, we can look for a quick buy of 20-25 pips around 2317, 2315. If market breaks 2309, yesterday's level with volume, we can look for a sell below it. Next buy will come around 2304, 2300. So that's all about gold. Okay, so be careful at a time of news. So though retail sales is not a major event like CPI and NFP, but still the market has been acting crazy for the last couple of days and weeks. So please be careful. Do not be a gambler. We are traders. Do not forget. Okay. Now the Pro Trader program or the 3 days workshop. Okay, my dear friends, there's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support that I conduct after every 3-4 months. So it's usually okay 3 times or max to max 4 times a year. Okay, this workshop has been designed only for those people who are struggling with the market, unable to make money. Okay, so you can see that these are the benefits. Okay, everything is mentioned on the website. The link will be in the description. Okay, and these are the topics that we will be dealing in the 3 days. Okay, day 1, day 2, day 3. And as we all know that after a class, okay, we all get confused. So therefore I have also provided the service of 1 month support after workshop. During the 1 month support, we will be having weekly sessions. These are the topics that we will discuss during the weekly sessions. And if you're wondering what are the benefits that you will be getting as support, you will be getting regular market updates, analysis. We also conduct live sessions um, on the WhatsApp group. Okay, we have a WhatsApp group, separate WhatsApp group. Okay, where you'll find everything. Okay, for example, after some time, okay, I'll be uploading everything on the WhatsApp group. And the dates are, you can see, Hindi classes are starting from this Friday, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, and English classes 28th, 29th, and 30th of June. Okay, if you're interested with only English classes, you can join now also. Don't think that, okay, there will be a deduction from the support. No, nothing like that. You are most welcome to join now. These are the timings. And the best part is the fees. Okay, you can see only workshop. It means 3 days workshop with 1 month support is only $15 or rupees 1000. Means in 1000 rupees, 3 days workshop, 4 weekly sessions, and regular market analysis updates for 1 month. And if you love my work, okay, then you can also sign up for semi-annual or lifetime support, because trading is a journey. Trading takes time. We know it very well. In 1 month, okay, many people are unable to understand everything. And if you're looking for personal sessions also, then semi-annual or lifetime membership can be very useful for you. Everything is mentioned on the website. Okay, um, you'll find all the information here. In semi-annual, okay, you'll get 2 personal sessions. In lifetime, you'll get 6 personal sessions with me to clear your doubts, ask questions, and also to gossip. And these are the payment methods here. Okay, almost all the popular methods are mentioned here. So once you're done with the payments, simply share a screenshot on this WhatsApp number. Okay, I will add you to the group. So if you're interested, my dear friends, you are most welcome to participate. And if you already have faced a huge loss, then please go through my story. Okay, just go to the about me section on the website and just go through the story here. Okay, this is my story. So okay, at least you'll understand that nothing is impossible in the market. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.